Crabs, like many other animals, use their senses to detect and locate food in their environment. The specific ways in which crabs detect their food can vary depending on the species and their habitat, but generally, crabs rely on their senses of smell, touch, and sometimes even taste. Here's how crabs detect their food. Crabs have specialized chemoreceptors, which are sensory cells that can detect chemical compounds dissolved in the water. They use their sense of smell to detect the odor of potential food sources, including decaying organic matter, prey, or even plant material. Chemical cues released by food can travel in the water and guide crabs to the source of the scent. Crabs have specialized sensory structures, such as their antennae and specialized mouthparts called maxillipeds, that are equipped with tiny hairs and bristles. These structures are highly sensitive to touch and can help crabs sense vibrations and movements in the water, allowing them to detect nearby prey or disturbances caused by potential food sources. Once a crab encounters potential food, it may use its mouthparts to assess the taste and texture of the item. Crabs may use their maxillipeds and mouthparts to manipulate the food, crush it, and determine if it's suitable for consumption. Some crab species are active hunters and use their sensory abilities to actively search for prey. For example, the arrow crab uses its elongated front limbs to catch plankton and small invertebrates from the water column. Many crab species are opportunistic scavengers, feeding on dead or decaying organic matter they find on the seafloor. Their chemosensory abilities are particularly important in detecting these potential food sources. Certain crabs are filter feeders, using their specialized appendages to filter plankton and other small particles from the water as it flows by. They rely on their sense of touch and water movement to detect and capture their microscopic prey. Crabs rely on a combination of chemoreception, touch, and sometimes eyesight to detect their food. Their adaptations vary based on their species and ecological niche, but these sensory mechanisms allow them to successfully locate and consume food in their diverse habitats.